Alright guys, welcome to the vlog. Officially at the airport. Let's go find our gate. We're at gate A25, so let's go. Vlogs. Let's go. Going down to it's a train down here, so we got to take the train to A. Once we take the train to A, we'll be good to go. We gotta go to gate, go to A, and then stop at A, and then go to gate 25. We got to good to go. Supreme. Oh, that one's about to close. See if we can run it. Alright. What's wrong with you? Alright. T to A. Alright. Let's go.
Welcome aboard the plane.
You might be on the wrong train. Yeah, you're supposed to go on that one. Oh no, right here. Yeah, you good. You good to go? Alright guys, we made it to the train. Kind of easy. We get off at the very first stop. So I'm guessing it's gonna be 25, go all the way down there, find another something to eat, take a nap, and then we'll figure it out from there. Yep, 8:34. Sorry. Let's go, guys. Oh, that's me. That's cool. I will vlog, but we gotta go see our spot. Where the freak are we at? I got opinions on the lane walk. I'm already tired. Oh, she gotta catch a flight.
I know, I have like 5 minutes.
Go. Get that workout in. I ain't gotta catch no flight. I'm good. I need to catch some food. Boy, I gotta eat. Alright. Let's go. 8:25. I just want to see my gate. Where's my gate at? My gate? Man. Hello, I have a question to ask. You guys have GoPro 4 chargers? Chargers? Try over there. Okay. Alright, thank you. We're gonna see, cause I need a GoPro charger. So I can get in the water, cause I don't have no thing for this. Hello. How you doing? I'm looking for a GoPro charger or just a case for this. Do you guys sell these? Okay. So do you have a GoPro charger?
Is that the micro or is that the,
No, I have a GoPro 4 too, as well.
Right.
Yeah, and I need a charger for it. Do you guys sell them?
Not for that one. The only thing we got now is the new Type-C ones.
You only got it for this?
Yeah, Type-C.
Okay. Do you guys sell this at all, like a case for this part? No? Okay. Alright, well, thank you very much. Alright, let's go to the gate. That sucked. I don't know where I'm gonna go to find one of those cases, bro. Tell you the truth, I truly do not. If I know my gate's this way. Checking out places where to eat. Checking out places where to eat at right now. You come back down here and eat if you want to. Woo. I forgot my sunglasses. Lordy.
Oh, there's nothing here?
Ladies and gentlemen,
25, I see it.
on-time departure.
25. Hello. Oh, you want to be on my vlog?
30 minutes prior to your departure time.
I'm just walking.
Please make sure to verify
It's
your
a 5-minute
departure
vlog.
gate
It's
in the
pretty
event of
long.
any possible changes.
The gate is down there, guys.
Damas y
Let's
caballeros,
go.
para garantizar una
Got
salida
plans
sin
over there.
retrasos, desde
Vlog
ayer
camera. This
solicita
thing
que
broke.
todos los pasajeros se presenten en
Dropped
la
it and
puerta
it
de
broke.
embarque 30 minutos
Oh,
antes
they
de la
might
hora
have
de
it.
salida. Por favor, asegúrese de
They got a
verificar su puerta
GoPro
de embarque,
6.
por si acaso se produce algún cambio. Gracias.
Alright. Yes. 199. Hello. Yes, I do. Do you guys carry the GoPro 4 chargers?
Is that Type C?
I think so.
This the GoPro 4?
No, this is the GoPro 5. I have the GoPro 4 in my book bag.
Let me see.
Okay. We in this
I
vlog.
know